Welcome back to the channel. This is Tony, and we're at 1,000 Trails Orlando right now and having a good time. Wanted to share a little bit about some great plumbing experiences we have. So we still consider the rig in a shakedown right now. We took it from Tyler, Texas, made a stop at the Splash Resort for a week, and then came home to Tampa. And then this week we came to 1,000 Trails and decided to stay here for a week as well. We expected a few things to happen, and so you're going to see this video about two things. First one was using our brand new Fisher and Paykel dishwasher for the first time while we were here earlier this week. And then the other is we got an alert on our water leak system, and it was in the behind the Nautilus. We had a little bit of a leak, so we did some checking there, and that's not resolved yet, but we think we've made enough corrections until either we can figure it out later, or when we go to the rally in May up in Elkhart, Indiana, it might go down on our list for things for the service team to take a look at. So take a look at this video. So we're going to use our dishwasher for the first time.
We'll see what happens.
Did you learn how to do it?
Briefly.
You read the directions, right?
Briefly.
Oh, Lord. So we put the powder stuff just in there. There's no little pouch thing?
Nope.
What goes in there?
And where?
There.
That's only if you're using powder detergent.
So we don't use jet dry?
The jet dry goes in here.
Oh.
This is for powder detergent, and these are for the pods.
Oh, that opens?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Got it. All right, so are we ready to do it?
We're ready.
Again, never use this.
It says to run it on Eco, which is the most, or you can do, let's see.
We're learning as we go.
Oh, it's locked. So we got to unlock. And then I think you can move it to fast if you have very light. This is for delicate stuff. That's just a rinse. That's heavy. But it says Eco gives you the most optimal.
It sounds like a clothes washer. What's delicate
and then
when it comes to dishes?
And then you hit play. There she goes.
Well, we'll come back and see. But again, what's delicate?
Like if you were doing stuff like delicate china or stuff like that. You know, when we take out our fancy china to eat. Not just the Corel.
Yes. While we're here, we are at 1,000 Trails Orlando right now. And we just finished dinner. We were watching some RV stuff. Hey, look, it's RV America. But we put up some pictures. So there's our babies, including Abby, who watches us from up above every day. And then there's Maddie and Linus and Oliver. And we have a guest here for this trip. There's Baby. Hey, baby. Oh, she's sleeping. I'm sorry to disturb you. That's Baby. That's Larry's mom's dog who lives with us. So she came with us for the trip. That's some of our stuff. There's our house back in Tampa or Riverview, Florida. And then back up there. So we are enjoying our first trip since we got it after the Southern Alley Rally over here at 1,000 Trails Orlando. So
the following day.
So Larry, it's the next day. So we used the dishwasher. We were excited about it for the first time, but then what happened?
No success.
No success.
We got an error code. It started beeping, yelling at us. And the error code was that it could not drain. So I took the hose off and discovered that there was a little cap on the end of this fitting right here that never got taken off. So therefore the water couldn't go through. Well, when I tried to pull that little cap off, it has kind of a little black ring around the top of it. The little black ring came off. So what I ended up doing was taking a small screw and drilling it in there, and then taking a pair of pliers, and I was able to wiggle that cap out. And then put everything back on, and now it drains.
Woohoo! But what happened last night when we took the O-ring off and everything?
There's a lot of water. And it was a lot of water fast.
And he called Larry.
And all I had was this little cup.
Yep. And he called for a bucket.
And I said, I need a bucket, I need a bucket.
And our
and
bucket.
we used the air fryer.
The air fryer was our bucket.
But it worked.
Yep. And it is all nice and fixed. We tried it. It
I'm
worked.
running a rinse right now. I'm going to see what it does.
And the first time around, nothing. Everything drained out fine, but we'll try it again and see what happens, right? Good job, Larry. You fixed our plumbing. Woohoo! In this short part of the video, you'll see Larry's working behind the Nautilus system. And what we discovered is the connection from the shower drain, right below the shower itself, into that piping is just a little off. It looks like the elbow is, the pipe itself was not cut exactly right. So the elbow is actually like this, trying to connect to the shower drain. And so it doesn't make for a very clean connection there. Not sure what we're gonna have to do. I mean, if it means we have to actually take it apart and cut part of the pipe off and then put a new fitting in so it lines exactly at the 90-degree up into the shower, might have to do that. Neither of us are really good plumbers, so we can always try it because that's part of this, what we do, or we save it until the end of May when we're at the Elkhart at the Alliance National Rally, as I mentioned, and maybe we'll have them take care of it while it's there. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on all our videos, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.